Hey guys, welcome back to our reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing the Bounty Hunter Junior Metal Detector. Let's get into the video. So here you have the Bounty Hunter Junior Metal Detector. Let's get the instructions. So here we have the extension. You can extend. Then here is the power, so you can check how much power there is. It does not come with batteries. Here is like if you want to cancel out any metals. Now you need 9-volt batteries. It's good battery. If you can see right here, whenever you turn it on, you can see, if you can see this little flap right here, this little red part right here, it will go all the way to OK battery. And if you want to go over here, and then right here, you can strap metal detector. So yeah. I want to take it outside and use it today, but it's snowing, so I'll do another video on it next time. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye! Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and so you never miss another video.